everyone, welcome back to Rich and Bella Crafts. Hope you're all well. So it is time for us to pick the winner of our giveaway competition. I have loaded in the link. I'm just going to press get comments. Okay, so we've got 142 comments. Let's press start and see who's the winner. Oh, there we go, Rachel Drury. There we go, Rachel. Okay, if you could get in touch with us, drop us an email. I'll put the email address down below in the description box and send us your address and I can get your prize over to you. Also, the winner of Bella's video, if you haven't yet checked that out, go over and check that out. And again, if you could just drop us an email with your address and we can get your prizes out to you. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you so much for everyone who entered and who subscribed and liked and commented on our videos. We really appreciate your support and hope you all have a great day. Bye now.